Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, chill your bowl and whisk, then pour 250 g cold heavy cream into the bowl. Use medium speed to build body. This traps air so the cream thickens. Add 50 g powdered sugar gradually to stabilize texture and a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. Once you see soft peaks, reduce speed briefly to check consistency. This prevents overwhipping. Make sure the cream remains cold throughout because warmth turns it soupy. So work efficiently and keep tools chilled. You continue by whipping to soft peaks first. This lets sugar dissolve and air incorporate evenly. Once soft peaks hold, increase speed and whip to firm peaks that still look glossy. This is stable cream for piping or frosting. If you're using a hand mixer, alternate 15 seconds on and 10 seconds off to prevent heat buildup that collapses foam. For more stability, fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons mascarpone. It adds body without. You finish by chilling the cream 10 to 20 minutes so it firms for piping and spreads smoothly. For final texture, test a peak. It should hold without breaking. If you accidentally overwhip and see grainy curds, don't panic. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold cream and whisk gently until smooth again. Make sure to use the cream within 24 hours and keep it refrigerated. If it loosens slightly, re-whip briefly to regain volume before decorating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.